Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about that annoying tickly cough that just won't go away. It interrupts your sleep and your day, and while it can signal something serious, there's a classic remedy for those minor coughs. It's a comforting mix of honey, lemon, and warm water, simple yet effective. Honey coats your throat, providing soothing relief from that scratchy feeling. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C and helps thin out mucus, making it easier to expel. And warm water, it hydrates and calms everything down. Making it is a breeze. Squeeze half a lemon into a mug, add honey, pour in warm water, and stir. Sip it slowly and feel the soothing effects wash over you. Remember, this is great for minor coughs, but consult a doctor for anything severe or lasting. So what's your go-to remedy for a cough? Let us know in the comments below.